Get her around the fender. Can I get her fit in there with the big tire? The tire doesn't want to fit either. Oh, come on, guys. Let's get rid of all the blocks of wood, and maybe we can do it. Okay, how's that? All right, there we go. Get between there, please. Come on. You can do it. There we go. There you go. Good job. Okay, one step down. Ow. To match up this final drive. Never actually done this before, but let's do it right. Now I wish I had a wood block in there. There you go. Get up. Lift it with my foot. Slide it over. Fish it around. How we doing there, buddy? Are we good? I don't know how to do this. I slid it off. How do we slide it on? Anybody? Uh-oh. Lost something there. There she goes. All right. She slid right in there. I'm happy with that. Now, what did we lose over here? Oh. We lost our bolt for this guy. All right. We're getting there. This one, this will probably be fine. I don't mind that. Let's go ahead and get that set up. That's in. I think that should be good. So, let's go ahead and slide this in here. I might need a longer one. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get the longer one set up. Should have done that earlier. Just for proof that you can all tell me I told you so, that this wouldn't be an easy job. Look at the difference in these arms. This was off the 81 XJ650. This is off the 82 XJ750. So ergonomics are very different. Let's hope this fits right up. And I have no issues. I'm assuming the diameters are the same. So we're going to just shove it on. Just going to shove it on. Yeah. Yep. That fits right on. Good deal. I'll tighten that down. Get back with you. Alright. Lock nut is in place for the arm. And now all we got to do is situate this rod into this pivot joint, which is easier said than done sometimes. All right, there we go. That's in. That looks like it'll work good. Now, to screw this nut on. You want to relieve the pressure when you get to that point. All right. Lock washer and nut are in place. I will have to replace the cotter pin or split pin, as you Brits call it. I'm going to wait to adjust this till I actually have the axle in. So all this. And if that axle does not go through the hole, it was for nothing. So hopefully this is good to go. Let's try and get this axle in. Here goes nothing. You know it'll go through this hole. Oh, we need a washer in there. Okay. Well, we're starting. It's working. Where's my mallet? Let's try and drive this sucker through. The only fear I would have is binding up. Maybe the axle's bigger. She seems to be fine. We'll hope for the best. Now, give that a little bit of lift. No, I don't need lift. I need to get it through here. There we go. Line it up with the frame. Swing arm, I guess you'd say. Come on, Bubba. Come on. Just make it through there. There. I like that. That looks good. There she is. Straight up. Perfect. Beautiful. We're in. Now, as long as everything works out well, we're going to stick washer back on here. Washer. Nut. Which, like I said, I had a 20 millimeter, but it seemed a little big. Gonna drive that down a little bit. You don't want this too tight, or you won't be turning. You want it snug. And then your split pin or cotter pin will hold it in place. Oh, I bet we're spinning on the other side. We need to hold that. Hold this guy in place so we're not spinning. Alright, there, holding that in place. And I'll turn this. Alright guys, well, I just wanted to show you the final product here. That we did get the XJ650 wheel and tire and brake plate and brake shoes and all that. Let's just say the rear wheel assembly onto the XJ750 successfully. The axle's probably the same and it fit right through. We did good there. Like I said, I stole that bolt. I stole the bolt there from the 750 assembly. And I'm gonna have to work on adjusting the brakes because I'm not sure exactly where they need to be. I told you I was gonna be bad and reuse the cotter pin here, but I don't have any more to replace the broken one. So all I need to do is run down to Harbor Freight tomorrow and grab a pin for here. So this is all locked up. But right now, she rolls. So we should be good to go. Good tread on there. A lot better than what we had over here. So moral of the story, all these parts do not match up perfectly, but you know what? Matched up enough, we'll make it work. So have a good one. Thanks for hanging in there with me through all the problems and issues, and you can do this too. So good luck. See you on the next one. Subscribe, like, and share if you want to. Thanks for watching. Have a great one. Bye.